Hey guys, and we are glowing today. So we're gonna do a makeup where I'm gonna show you how you can get a very glowy, soft and dewy looking skin. So we are going for very dewy makeup today. No matte, a little bit of matte where I'm going to put a concealer, but we are focusing more on the dewy skin today. So I know not everybody is a fan of matte foundation and matte makeup during the winter time because it's very dry, and that's why I have come up with this dewy makeup. So we're gonna start with a couple of skincare and then we'll move to the makeup. So I'm gonna also show you how you can prep your skin before the makeup. So if you don't know all that stuff, then please keep on watching. First thing first, I'm gonna spray this makeup fixes spray on my face because we're going to wear this makeup for the entire day and I want this makeup to be intact in at least for 10 to 12 hours. So I'm gonna spray this one on my face and then I'm gonna fan it down. Next, I'm going to use the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. This is a facial serum. I'm just going to take one pump and I'm going to massage it into my skin. This is a brightening serum and I love anything which is brightening for my skin because my skin is looking very dull. And we are moving ahead with the facial oil now. And for the facial oil, I'm going to use this Plum, Grape Seed and sea Buckthorn. I'm going to take a couple of drops on my face. I'm gently going to massage it into my skin. Okay, for primer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Cover Oil Primer. This is a moisturizing primer, but it do have a little bit of silicone in it, so it's going to fill our pore as well. Because we are looking for a dewy skin, that's why we are using the more moisturizing kind of product which has a lot of hydration into it. As you can see, my eyebrow is already done and I'm just gonna set it in place with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. Now moving ahead with the foundation, I'm going to use this PAC HD Foundation. This is in the shade 2.3. I'm going to take this on the back of my hand to pump. And to apply this, we're going to use a beauty blender. I'm just going to pick up this sponge and I'm going to start blending this into my skin. Oh, before that we have to do a color correcting because I do need to hide all these bad boys from my face. So I'm going to use a color corrector. For that, I'm going to take this palette from the Nicka and I'm going to pick up that orange shade. And I'm going to set it quickly with some loose powder. I'm just going to take this banana powder from Anastasia palette, just a little bit, so that it will not move. Now moving ahead with the foundation, I already have foundation on my sponge, so I'm gonna start applying this into my skin. As you can see, I'm patting this foundation. I'm not dragging it, otherwise it's also gonna move the color corrector underneath. If you have any dark circles or any dark spots, you can use the same technique. Use a color corrector underneath. This will cancel out all the darkness you have and your face will not look grey, because if you directly apply anything on the darkness, your face will start looking grey. So I'm going to start with concealing my under eyes first. This is a Colorpop concealer in the shade medium. And then bridge of my nose, chin, cupid's bow and also my forehead. So we're going to let this concealer sit in our face. We are going to contour with the NYX contour sticks. And I'm going to set everything with the ABH Contour Kit. I'm just going to take this yellow powder and set my concealer in place. Now for bronzing today, I'm going to pick up this powder and I'm going to start bronzing my face. And for blush, I'm going to use this Lakme Shimmer brick. This has a very small particle of shimmer. It looks very beautiful and glowy into the skin. So I'm just going to take my stippling brush and I'm going to swirl my brush into this one and then apply in the apple of my cheeks. It's very pigmented, so you have to be very careful and just blending it into the skin. I don't mind going overboard with the blush because I'm loving blush these days. I love that rosy looking cheeks. And we're just gonna put some highlighter on the highest point of my face. I'm just gonna take this M.A.C Luminizer and I'm going to take this highlighting brush and then start putting in all the areas where I need to highlight. Now done with the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm not going for any liner or any falsies fits. I just want to keep this look very simple. One of the best mascaras ever, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. If you're looking for a good mascara, do try this one. This is awesome. I'm just going to put some Kajal on my lower lash line and I'm going to use this Lotus Ecostay Kajal. And for lips today, I'm going to take this lip liner from the M.A.C. This is called Heroine and I'm just going to line my lips quickly. And for lipstick, I'm going to use this sleek matte liquid lipstick in the shade Fandango Purple. With that, we come to the end of this video, and this is my version of dewy, glowy looking makeup. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the like button if you find this video helpful. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.